If you're looking for somewhere to take your family this winter for a fun-filled getaway, I've got just the place for you. Today I'm here at Camelback Resort, Mountain and Indoor Water Park. It's a one-stop shop. But before I show you all that, I need to go inside and get fitted for some skis. I'm going to bring you with me today to show you how you can come to one place and go from the slopes to the slides all in the same day. Where else can you go and have winter fun and then go inside to 84 degrees? But first, I'm going to take a few runs down the bunny slope. Not too bad for my first run.
Camelback Mountain offers 39 trails and 166 skiable acres for all levels, from beginner to expert. And if you and your family have never skied or snowboarded before, they offer lessons for all ages.
Now that I've taken a few runs down the bunny slope, I want to take you on the full experience with me, but I brought a special guest with me. This is my goddaughter Mila, and we're going to take you down the slopes with us, right? All right, here we go. Well, Mila, that was fun, huh?
Yeah.
I wasn't the best skier, but she was a really good coach. You want to go do one of our outdoor activities? Yeah. All right. We're going to go take a ride down one of their 42 snow tubing lanes. So come along with us.
Camelback Mountain is known as one of the biggest snow tubing parks in the U.S. And when the sun goes down, the lights come on, and they turn the mountain into a unique experience with galactic tubing.
And finally, we're heading inside to their indoor water park, Aquatopia. We're gonna go have some fun on the slides, the fun rides, wave pool, and so much more, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So now I'm here with Molly, Director of Marketing. So Molly, Camelback has so much to offer. I've kind of been just enjoying the day. We did skiing, snow tubing, we're gonna do the water park. So like, if someone's never been here before, do you guys offer like a stay and play kind of thing?
Absolutely, year round, no matter what the season is, we typically have curated packages that fit just about whatever it is that you're looking for to make the booking process as easy as possible for our guests.
I love that. So what can people expect in the future? I know you guys are constantly upping your game every year, so what do you have in store?
Camelback has been here for over 60 years. We are constantly evolving. Camelback started as just a ski mountain up there, and we now have this giant hotel and all these water parks. And recently we added the brand new Rival Racer slide outside at Camel Beach in the summer. Black Bear 6 is our newest 6-person high-speed chairlift on the mountain. It's pretty nice, right?
It's pretty nice.
It really elevates the experience, and it's so cool.
Yeah.
And moving forward, we are always looking for more to offer our guests. So whenever our guests do come back time and time again, it could feel different, or there's something different to do, just to again totally enhance that guest experience.
Yeah, I love, and I was telling the viewers today as we went along how I'm going to take them from the slopes to the sides. Like, where else can you go from like winter fun and then right into 80-degree weather for a water park? It's like
pretty much nowhere. And especially in the Poconos, the mountain is what sets us apart from everybody and everything else. And there's a lot of great properties in the Poconos. We all, even as Camelback employees, we still love them. But again, the mountain is something that no one else can touch when it comes to offerings for our guests.
Yeah, and you guys are like one of the biggest snow tubing parks too.
Yeah, us and our sister property, Blue Mountain over there, we have up to 42 snow tubing lanes, depending on weather and snow and how much we can get down there, but one of the largest snow tubing parks in America.
You guys are doing it well.
Hey, we are doing it well. And snow tubing, it's so fun too. Skiing can be a little intimidating for people. Snow tubing is no skills required. It's good for everybody. It's always fun. And it makes, that mountain feeling, that winter escape extremely accessible for anybody.
so I think we're gonna go try the water park out now.
I can't believe you have anything left in you after the day that you've had, but hey,
Listen,
have at it.
I feel like I wanna go do a couple rides and then relax in the cabanas that you told me about.
Absolutely. It's a lot to pack into one day too, which is why we stay overnight. You know, it's hard to do it all in one day, but you're doing it. You're almost there.
But I love that everything is at one place, same day, and you can do whatever you want. Play, ski, snow tube, water park, eat, or just relax.
Yes.
All right, Molly, so thank you so much for having me today. I
Absolutely.
think I'm gonna go have a little bit more fun in the water park with my goddaughter, so I'll see you later.
Yep.
All right, thanks.
Aquatopia has 13 different water slides, including kiddie slides for the youngest in your group, a wave pool, plus some other fun rides like the Flow Rider. They even have some cozy cabanas available to relax in.
Wow, what a fun-filled day. Thank you so much for coming along with us. I think we're gonna end it right here relaxing in one of the cabanas. You definitely have to come check it out for yourselves with your family. We had such a blast. Again, this is Mila, and I'm Deanna Fontanez for the Pocono Television Network.